Hello everyone. Multiple dependent drop-down lists allow you to get the values in the list that depend on some other value. For example, in this cell in C5 we can pick a group that we want. For example, we pick fruits. And here in C6 we see a number of cells, number of values that are taken from that group. So in order to make this, first of all, you need to set a name for the range that contains all possible groups. So in our case, it is range from F6 to F9, and you create a group. So in order to set a name, you just select this range, you go to this small field and you press enter. And then you can see all the list of names in the formulas and name manager. So you see name and you see the range where it relates to. And as a next step, you need to set the name, in our case fruits, to this range. You need to set name vegetables to this, and so on and so forth. So the next step would be to pick C6, and we go to data validation, and here we're using the formula called INDIRECT. It allows you to get the value of a cell, but without a direct reference. So that's a very useful and kind of tricky formula, but for now let's just use it for this case. We shall cover that topic in the future. So, and also we can set an additional validation to consider and to validate whether the value which we have in cell C6 is inside the range which is set in C5. So this formula highlights and says you true if this second level value is inside this group. For example, if we pick drinks and you see false. That's just a way to double check that the value has been changed. That's pretty much it. Thank you. If you need this file, please let me know in the comments and I will send it to you.